Do you have bleeding gums? Do you observe blood in your spit after brushing? Then this video is made for you. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Jaya Deshmukh. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about 10 causes of bleeding gums, 10 home remedies for it to do at your own level, good practices to avoid bleeding, when to seek dentist and what happens if you neglect bleeding gums. Remember, healthy gums will never bleed. If they are bleeding, that means there is some infection, inflammation, that is swelling, or you have caused some trauma to them. So let's first learn what are the different reasons of bleeding of our gums. First one, plaque accumulation and gingivitis. Bacteria in mouth produces something called plaque. If we don't brush properly to remove this plaque, it will cause swelling of gums and they may bleed. Second one, calculus formation and periodontitis. If we ignore this plaque, it will deposit and harden in few days, causing hard calculus over the teeth. Bone will start damaging. This is called as periodontitis and may be the reason of bleeding gums. And such cases of gingivitis and periodontitis, if ignored, will lead to loss of teeth and severe complication. So never neglect bleeding gums. Third is vigorous and harsh brushing. Wrong way of brushing and hard brushing with hard toothbrush will harm your gums, may lead to bleed. Use of proper brushing technique and soft bristle brush may prevent this bleeding. For brushing technique, do watch video in which I have mentioned correct way of brushing. Click on the link above or you may watch it later. Link is mentioned in the description box. Fourth is improper flossing. Proper flossing is must, otherwise you may harm your gums leading to bleed. See the cuts caused by the floss on the gums. Proper technique is must. If you want to know what is flossing, why is it needed, do watch the video regarding it. Click on the link above or you can see it later. The link is mentioned in the description box. Fifth is use of worn out toothbrush. Such type of toothbrush may harm your teeth and gums and cause their bleeding. To prevent this, toothbrush should be changed every 3 months. Sixth is trauma to the teeth and gums. Any accident or any external force may lead your gums to bleed. Seventh is certain medicines. They may lead to bleeding gums. They include NSAIDs, antiplatelet drugs, blood disorder medication, anticoagulants. In short, there are few medicines, if you are taking them, may cause bleeding gums. So consult your physician immediately regarding your problem and get the medicine changed. Next is vitamin deficiency. If you are having deficiency of vitamin C, vitamin K may cause bleeding of your gums. So mention food containing this vitamin in your daily routine. For example, for vitamin C, eat citrus fruits like lemon, oranges, strawberry, broccoli, sprouts, potato. For vitamin K, involve green leafy vegetable like spinach in your food, sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, meat, eggs in your daily routine. Ninth is ill-fitting prosthesis. If you are having cap on your tooth or any tooth is replaced or you are having braces, it may irritate your gum, may cause your gums to bleed. So consult your dentist immediately and get it corrected. Tenth is hormonal imbalance during pregnancy. During pregnancy, due to hormonal change, there can be problems like bleeding in gums and swelling in the gums. Visit the physician and take proper care and proper maintenance of hormone will reduce this problem. Proper brushing and flossing and maintaining oral hygiene will reduce its chances. The problem will go away by itself after the birth of the baby. So these are 10 causes of bleeding gums and ways to prevent them. Now let's learn home remedies to solve this problem. First is salt plus warm water. Boil the water, add 1 teaspoon of salt in 1 cup of water, shake it well and gargle with it. It creates osmotic pressure and pull bacteria out and thus reduces the dental problem as well as the bleeding. Second is honey. Take raw honey on your index finger, then massage on gums in circular direction. On upper teeth, you should massage in downward direction in circular motion and in lower in upward direction in circular motion. Honey has an anti-inflammatory and antiseptic property which will reduce swelling and bleeding. Third is aloe vera gel. Take aloe vera, cut it and apply it directly on affected part. Aloe vera gel has an antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory property. It reduces swelling, bleeding gums, plaque, bad breath, and improves oral health. Fourth is ice pack. Hold ice cube for 10 minutes on the bleeding gums, then give it relief for 10 minutes. It will help reduce swelling and bleeding gums. It is also useful in cases of minor injuries. Fifth is turmeric. Mix half teaspoon of turmeric powder with water or vitamin E capsule. Make paste and apply on gums for 10 minutes. Antiseptic turmeric will reduce swelling and bleeding gums. Sixth is milk. Drinking milk will strengthen your gums with calcium and soothe the bleeding gums, and you will feel relief. Seventh is hydrogen peroxide rinses. Add H2O2 and water in equal amount in dark bottle. Gargle with it 2 times a day. It will reduce bleeding gums and swelling effectively. Eighth is betadine gargle. Use betadine gargle as mouthwash. Hold it in the mouth for 30 seconds while swirling liquid at throat. It will reduce gum swelling and bleeding. Ninth is alum. Dissolve 1/4 teaspoon alum powder in 1/2 teaspoon of glass of water. Use these as mouthwash daily twice. It will reduce bleeding and swelling of gum. It is a natural astringent and antiseptic. It tightens the gums and reduces gap in teeth. Last and most important part of this video today is oil pulling. Take 1 teaspoon of oil and hold it in the mouth for 10 to 15 minutes before brushing your teeth. You can do any work during this time so that you can hold oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. You can use any oil for this, but if you are having the problem of bleeding gums, use coconut oil. If you are having upset stomach, use sesame oil. If you are having the problem of decay in tooth, use clove oil. Oil pulling has a lots of benefit. It kills harmful bacteria from mouth, it reduces bad breath, it prevents cavity, it decreases inflammation and improve gum health as well as your body health. Do remember to spit the oil in garbage, otherwise the oil may choke your washrooms. These all home remedies are for minor to moderate cases. Do visit dental clinic in severe cases or if bleeding do not stop. Dentist will clean your teeth, take sample to see which bacteria is harming and will medicate you accordingly. Do not neglect bleeding gums. You may lose your teeth if you neglect bleeding gums. So don't neglect bleeding gums. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Do mention in the comment box whatever topic you want. Thank you.